Hi, everybody. We're going to make the letter B out of Play-Doh today. I'm using yellow to match the dough mat, but you can use any color you have. Um, we are going to make sure that our mat doesn't move around, so I'm going to just tape some painter's tape down to make sure it doesn't wobble since we'll be rolling on the mat. And to start, we are going to look at the model and we're going to count how many pieces, how many chunks we need to break our Play-Doh into. So I see one straight log, and then I see two curves. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. We're going to need 3 blobs. So I'm going to break it into 3 about equal size blobs. And let's start with our straight line down. So soften up the dough and roll it out. We're going to roll it until it matches the shape and length from our model. I need to make it a little bit longer. Here we go. So that's going to be our first line of our B. Big line down. Next, we need to make a curve and it's facing the right side. So we'll start with that same shape, the same straight line, and then we'll curve it around. Okay, let's see if that's the right length. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna move our curve to pinch onto our first piece. Oh, that's a letter. That is the letter P, but we're making the letter B. B, like bat or ball. Making our second curve. That looks pretty good. Again, we're going to jump it on over, turn that P into a B. And now we have a beautiful uppercase B. And let's use our finger to trace it. We can trace it right on the mat or in the air. So we're going to start at the top, big line down, jump back to the top, curve to the right, curve to the right. That's our uppercase B. Great job.